Hi, welcome to Wanies Academy. Our topic for today is applying powers to fractions. The aim of this lesson is to help you understand how to apply powers, that is indices, to both simple fractions and mixed fractions and simplify the results correctly. And at the end of this lesson, our objective is 1. To define what it means to raise a fraction or mix fractions to a power. 2. Apply powers to proper, improper, and mixed fractions. 3. Convert mixed fractions to improper fractions before raising to a power. 4. Simplify and express answers both in proper and mixed form where appropriate. Next is the content. Applying powers to fractions and mixed fractions. Raising a fraction to a power means multiplying the fraction by itself as many times as the exponent shows. The general rule, when n is positive, says a over b raised to power n is as good as a raised to power n over b raised to power n. That is, the power is being shared between the numerator and the denominator before it's been simplified. Note, this rule only works when n is positive, that is, when the power is positive. Now we go to example 1. Example 1, which says, simplify, open bracket, 2 over 3 raised to power 2. Applying what we have up here means that the numerator and denominator carries the power 2. That is 2 raised to power 2 over 3 raised to power 2. Now, 2 raised to power 2 is 4. And 3 raised to power 2 is 9. Since this is its simplest form, therefore, our final answer is 4 over 9. Next, we go to example 2, which says simplify 3 over 4 raised to power 0. Applying the rule here, this means 3 raised to power 0 over 4 raised to power 0. Now, 3 raised to power 0 is 1. The reason is any number raised to power 0 except 0 itself is 1. Over 4 raised to power 0 likewise is also 1. Then 1 divided by 1 is as good as 1. We can also see it from this angle that any number raised to power 0 is 1. Therefore, 3 over 4, which is not 0, raised to power 0 is as good as 1. So we only go through this method in order to emphasize the value of this formula of a over b raised to power n is as good as a raised to power n divided by b raised to power n. Next, we go to is example 3, which says simplify 1 on number 1 over 2 raised to power 3. Okay. Now, we need to express this as an improper fraction before we can apply the method up. 1 on number 1 over 2 in improper makes it 3 over 2. All raised to power 3. In this form now, we can apply our formula up there. That is, we apply power 3 to both numerator and the denominator. Therefore, this is 3 raised to power 3 over 2 raised to power 3. Now, 3 raised to power 3 is as good as 27 over 2 raised to power 3 is as good as 8. Okay? Now, 27 divided by 8 is 3 whole number, 3 over 8. Therefore, 1 whole number, 1 over 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 3 whole number, 3 over 8. We hope this is very clear. So we have come to the end of today's lesson. We hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching this video. We do love you to subscribe and share with your friends. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.